Talofa guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making curry corned beef. Yes, I'm making it as a request for Sandra Rain. This is a request from you to make curry corned beef. So that's what I'm making today, and this is the ingredients, guys. The ingredients are onions and garlic, oil, turmeric, curry, plain flour, a bit of water, and that fella there, beef soup, corned beef, guys. So that's the ingredients, okay? That's the ingredients right there. Okay, so I'll turn this on. Yeah, okay. So I just heat up this. I was looking for the spoon. I'm not joking, guys. Sometimes my memory just forgets to come back to me. Then I find it in the party. Okay, get serious, guys. Get serious. Wailoa. So it's heating up, then I got to put the oil in, then the curry, and then the onion, and then you fry it together. Then you make the curry. Hiya. So thank you for the request. Anyway, guys, so today is a special day for one of my viewers, Joy McFarlane. It's birthday today for her. So happy birthday, Joy. I wish you all the very best, and may God bless you throughout the year and so forth. Happy birthday. I also have a shout out for Misty and her 6-year-old grandson, Novell. I hope I said the name right. Misty had left me a heartfelt comment, guys. She's got she left me a heartfelt comment, Misty, and she's looking after her grandson right now. Misty, all the best. You know, you can only ask for God's love to be with you during this time while you're looking after your grandson. So I'll put in the oil, guys. I let it heat up. When it heats up, then that's when you chuck in your onion and your garlic. Just chuck it all in. Yeah. Then you chuck in your curry. However you like it. Strong or not too strong. This curry is like, it tastes mild. But I've had it, and it's not that mild. So, let me have a look again. Oh yes, it's mild. It's mild. Anyway, you cook the onion a bit, and the garlic, and you don't let it burn, guys. We all know that, don't we? Because then you're going to have a bitter, bitter curry. So, put the lid on, and it's cooking nicely. Curry is... Corned beef curry is my son's favourite. Okay, one of my son's favourite, and he used to ask me to make it all the time, and then I had to show him, guys. He had to learn how to make his own favourite dish. But now he's the one that he thinks he can cook, guys. He thinks he can cook. He's got strange ways to add in all this kind of sauce stuff. And when he used to live here, he used to use me as the food taster, and some of that was so nice, though. He can make some nice food, don't get me wrong. He'll probably watch this and go, Mom, you should have told them that I make nice. Yeah, he does make, you know, I think when he floats it. Nah, I like that he's really interested in cooking, you know. But, you know, his siblings will tell you that, you know, his siblings will tell you though, guys, that he can come up with some pretty funky stuff. Anyway, you put in the flour that you want, guys. A little bit more. I'm not making so much because the only one that eats this is my husband, myself, and probably my son Noah. Because my mum, she sort of, she gets heartburn when she has too much curry. So I don't really like to feed her, you know, like curry stuff. Anyway, guys, come and have a look. Okay, so you just cook it like that, and then you put the water in, and it will get thick eventually. So it's starting to steam up, so this is the time to add in your water. You know, if we had a fire alarm fire alarm in here, it will be going off loud. I got some Kangen water to put in here. What number is that Kangen water? Yeah, so I put some Kangen water in here, guys, because it can take away the fat of the corned beef. Sure can. You can use Kangen water to cook your food, and it gets rid of the fatty of the, you know, like if you boil chicken. I've used Kangen water, guys, and it gets rid of the oil. You know how you get oil on top of the chicken after you boil it, like you want to make a chicken soup? Well, with the Kangen water, it gets rid of it. Anyway, guys, come and have a look. So you just keep adding the water that you need, you know, however thick you want it, thick or not so thick. So, and then after that you just put in the corned beef. I think I use up all this water because it will thicken up to the right thickness that I want. Did you see that splash come out? Hi, Anyway, guys, this is a good time to put in the turmeric. I just give it 2 shakes. Turmeric, I don't know if it has any taste, but it does make my curry yellowish, you know. Anyway, it makes the curry yellow, so that's what I like about it. Yuck. So now I just have to wait for it to thicken up a little bit, and then I chuck in the corned beef. Okay. Anyway, I'll get some salt and pepper up here, guys. One more for the road. And I'll put a bit of salt. So this is the time to add the corned beef. So here's the corned beef, guys. And you add it in. Some people, they add like tomatoes and stuff, but I don't, because it can get tangy with the tomato. But hey, each to their own. If that's how you like your curries, if you're cooking and they complain about your cooking, you do this. Nah. Oh, it looks like it's gonna rain. I'm just near the entryway of the garage, but anyway, I can lock it. So my daughter was saying, get a do not disturb sign, Mum. Well, if my mum comes, she'll see the do not disturb sign and just rip it off and throw it. Yeah. So I just wait for this to thicken up a little bit, guys. That's all to it. Come and have a look. This curry is as easy as that, guys. Just make it whenever you're hungry for corned beef curry. You just watch this video if you don't already know how to make it, and then you make it in. Expression for food sometimes can be a bit much. My husband just got home. Yeah, he done OT today, Sunday OT, so he's in there now talking to his sister because she rang up yesterday, but we had gone out shopping. Anyway, cheers guys. Yeah, his sister Jackie had called and left a message to ring her back. And of course, straight away my husband jumps to conclusion and thanks. It's something bad, so I told him it wasn't anything bad. His sister probably misses him. Anyway, let me get my prayer going, guys, and then I'm going to eat this, okay? We're going to eat it together. Guys, so you guys can see it. So funny, yesterday, after me and Tangaro's mukbang, my son Noah comes out and he's looking for some oysters. But by the time he come out, Chalora had already smacked them. Yeah, Chalora. So I made a little fancy-wancy with my rice. I love sticky rice, guys. Whoever came up with that idea. Cuteness. I try to make a sticky rice, guys. Bawaramele sticky. Ole. Oi. Yeah, there you guys. Steamy. Better not get burnt. See? No wonder my son likes it. See it, jokes. Mangaya. Mangaya lekali. Kali piso pumasang ya, guys. Vai, mura mo. Joy, I hope you're having a good day today for your birthday. Oh yeah, that cooled it down. It is a chunky Cornbeef. You know when you're having steamy food, your snot falls down. Woohoo! Whakari bāse whongi no wis whaman. I had to go wash my hands, guys, because, yeah. Yeah, I had to go wash my hands because I went to blow up my nose. My niece, Agnes, had an unveiling yesterday with her mum, the pastor, and also her siblings, and yep, and her kids, and her husband, you know, because we still have that 2 for unveiling, 10 for funeral. Don't know why they don't put it the same way, you know. Then my cousin's wife and her kids can all get together for the unveiling. So by the time my husband gets home, you know, like it's pretty late now, and the cemetery closes about 5:30, I think. So I'm gonna ask my daughter to come over tomorrow morning and get me in. I want to go and visit Agnes and take her a bunch of flowers. So, you know, I was thinking about my niece and the family yesterday that was present. my cousin, he would have been here for his daughter's unveiling, but because of this border being closed and no flights can come in or out, yeah, so my cousin couldn't make it from Samoa to come and be at his daughter's unveiling, which is unfortunate. But he knows he's got his wife here. She's doing a pretty good job taking care of the family while he's not here. Yeah, so Tangaro was in there having a good old yap yap with his sister. Someone's trying to come through the door. I don't know who. So, I better wrap this up. Sandra Rain, I hope I helped you with making this curry. You probably make it better than me, but this is how I make it. This is how I make it. This is what my son likes, and it's still nice to me. Anyway, guys, you continue on taking care of each other, and always send thanks to God, because God is the one that gives us life, okay, and blesses us with all what we do and what we get to eat, clothes and everything. So take care. Nice hanging out with you guys. Lucky I didn't burn down the house, because as I was talking, the pot was steaming up. Yeah. I have an Indian for a neighbour. They moved in about 2 years ago. But if he smells this curry, he's going to think, oh, what is the stink smell? Excuse you. That stink smell is my curry corned beef. Yeah. Roa, whawhakaiarea, ne maka mai, ma kako karangua, kako ai. E sara wika lea mea. Le fia yai. Yeah. What I said is that this backdrop, one day I'm going to get a nice backdrop, guys. Okay, but for now, this will have to be. Okay. Aloloa, loa e makamakan ko Netflix, makamakan ko YouTube. Oh yeah, hey, I had a video put up yesterday. It was me and my darling. Yeah, I know. Those massive prawns. Anyway, guys, gotta love you and leave you once again, and I'll see you guys on my next video. So I know there's another food request. So depending on my small kitchen, I have to figure out what I'm going to do. Okay, guys? So thank you for your request. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your well-wishing my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you guys, and I appreciate it so much. You'll never know. God bless. Faye.